Good morning, everybody. Hey, this is Tab with Crusher Joe. Hey, man, Deborah's out here on this Sunday. How to say that? Sunday after the big freeze.
Snow.
After the snow. Yeah, after the big snow.
Snow.
Today we got temperatures gonna be 60s today. We got water temp right now. 50 degrees. I think. That's what I saw and it kicked off for me. 49.3 degree water temp is what I'm seeing. So, hey, y'all stay tuned. We'll see if we can't catch one. It's gonna be cloudy skies and temps are gonna be in the 60s. Head first. Look at that. You think she wanted that one? Head first.
I need to get on the boat.
No. Nice fish. Almost 3. 2 3/4. Healthy. She ate that trap. You need to put on. $2.80. There you go. Got a fish? Look.
You just barely did it.
Good one?
Yeah. Yeah, I need the net. No, babe, it's out.
Oh.
This is a redfish.
Is it a red?
Yeah.
Cold. Never caught a red. He's a little cold. I've got 2 bass and a red.
First I thought he was a bass, then I saw the side of him. The way he was pulling. little shad crack on it.
Change that hook out. Deborah got a little one on crankbait. Oh, no, it's going on.
You can just sit there and be my net boy. Big old rig and that little big fish. What you caught one?
Fish on an Alabama rig in Louisiana.
Is that the first one you've ever caught on that?
Yeah.
You hit it like 3 times. Little one. branch, huh?
Look at the bass, though.
Is it? Yeah, it is.
Wrong thing. Hey guys, it's Tail Crusher Joe. Hey man, on this video, we we caught a few fish. I think we ended up with 11, maybe 12 on a tough day of fishing. We fished. That was the Sunday after the freeze. We went out. We had 49 or 51 degree water temps. We caught most of our fish was either throwing a crankbait or was throwing a red-eye shad. When I was throwing that red-eye shad, I was just throwing it out and kind of yo-yoing it back to the boat. That's kind of how we caught the fish we caught. I guess considering, what we went through with a hard freeze like that, I guess we did pretty good that day. I'm not gonna complain about it. It was one of our better trips we had in a while. But hey, a bad day of fishing is better than a good day at work, right? So, guys, I'm gonna talk to y'all about something. We have Responsible United Anglers. We got our banquet coming up on February 8th. It's gonna be down at Gaines, Louisiana, at the Gaines Community Center. Right now we have raffle tickets for the winter trip in August with Tyler Rivette. It's $20 a raffle. And if you're interested in getting a raffle ticket, you can contact us. We take Venmo, whatever. If you contact us, we'll fill a ticket out for you, shoot you a copy of it. You don't need to be there to win. We'll put your name, your phone number on it, and if you win, they'll contact you. You can, like I said, you can contact us. You can Venmo us the $20 or however you want to do it. If you're interested in getting a ticket.
We have PayPal too.
And we have PayPal. The trip's going to be this August on Lake St. Clair, fishing with Tyler Rivette for 2 days. Yeah, smallmouth, the best smallmouth fishery in the country. In August, plane fast paid for and your hotel's paid for to go on this trip. All you got to pay for, I believe, is your food.
For two.
For two, yeah. If you win, you can bring one person with you.
And we have the 50-50 a lot.
Yeah, we have a 50-50 raffle. If you want to get on that, they're $1 a piece. We'll take Venmo on that. We'll put you in if you're interested in doing that. What else? Or
if you're close by, come to the event.
If you're close by, we really, really can use your support. All the proceeds, the money we make for this is going to be used to buy bass, to start restocking our waterways, man. The fishing's been really tough. We had massive fish kills down here for the hurricanes, the drought. We had Hurricane Ida, then we had the drought, and then we had the last hurricane. I don't remember the last hurricane.
I can't remember the name. And then we had the snow, the freeze.
Yeah, well, that didn't fool them. But 2 hurricanes and a drought. Our area is hurting pretty bad, so. It's
$50 a head, but that's all you can eat or drink.
Yeah, $50 a head, all you can eat and all you can drink alcohol. There's going to be a band playing and we're going to have a big we're going to be raffling off all kinds of stuff, man. It's going to be a good time.
Auctions.
Y'all need to come out, man. We're going to pass a good time out there. Let's see. I think that's about it. All I'm going to say for now. All I'm going to say, guys, hey, we appreciate everybody that's been watching our videos. It means a lot to us. For everybody that's subscribed to our channel. And for everybody that's been watching our videos and hasn't subscribed, could y'all please subscribe to our channel? That'll help us out tremendously. Thank y'all. God bless. And hopefully we'll see y'all on the next one.